This hair is giving clean vibes. It's giving airy, it's giving simple, classy, elegant, all that good stuff, and that's the vibe that I'm going for in this video. I wanted to give you a wig style edition of the clean girl simple easy hairstyle. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed, we have a good time on this channel. As already seen by the title, today's video is going to be about this hair. This wig was provided to me by UPRETTYHAIR. I'm just showing you what comes in the box and all that good stuff. Now I did go ahead and bleach the lace of this wig, plucked it, customized it and all that before I came on camera to install the hair. And this is because I have a video that recently went up on my channel on how to bleach, pluck, tint your lace, so I'll definitely recommend that you watch that video. I'll link it in the description box below. Now I'm also not going to talk through the installation process because I feel like it is self-explanatory, so I don't really need to talk too much about this. But yeah, this wig is amazing. It's a 6x6 closure wig, which is absolutely convenient. Don't get me wrong, frontals are beautiful. Frontals, if done properly, could also be really natural, but 6x6 just takes the cake for me, especially lately, because it is easier to customize, easier to wear, easier to style, just in my opinion actually. And this wig is a 24-inch body wave hair. The lace isn't HD or anything, but it definitely gives off the HD vibe. The lace is so thin. It's a regular Swiss lace, so I'm absolutely impressed with the hair. I think I have it in 200 density, so the hair is quite thick, dense. So I'm just gonna let you watch and just kind of consume the content slowly and calmly. I'm not going to talk your ear off. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, your thoughts about the clean girl hairstyle and also this wig as well. I'm going to link all the details to this wig in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.